Alright, excuse the garbage all over the floor. I haven't cleaned my car in a while. Fuck's sakes. Too, yes, my car is a manual. Fucking last video, no one believed me. There you go. I'll even shift gears. See? Can't get an SI in automatic, so. We're 4 months into winter and I'm still yet to put my winter tires on. I mean, summer's handled pretty well. There's no snow on the roads. I'm not driving in like 3 feet of snow anyway, so like, I guess I don't even fucking need them. Why is it dropping to 60 here? Fuck off. Could at least be an 80. Like, I know there's houses, but like, fuck, come on. Fuck is that? A motel? Jesus Christ. I really am in the middle of fucking nowhere. I said, for those of you who haven't tried this monster yet, I suggest you do. It's the best one possible. We just got it in Canada. It's fucking amazing. You know what? Garbage disposal. There we go. That won't be moved for another 4 months. Oh, we're getting on the highway here. Let's do a little pull. Fire off, I'm not waiting for you. I will do it in third gear. Third to fourth, see what we can get to. Jesus Christ, why are you going so fucking slow? Oh yeah, now you speed up. Jesus fuck. Let's do a little sound system test, see how it is. God I'm gonna get copyrighted for that, but who gives a fuck? I don't fucking know. But look at the fucking length of it. Like, Jesus fucking Christ, it's long. It's the longest goddamn off-ramp or on-ramp, whatever the fuck you want to call it in the goddamn country, I swear to God. Like, it has no need to be this fucking long. Good thing I'm turning right. Get fucked. See ya. Oh my God, why do they keep dropping the fucking speed limit everywhere? This used to be a 70. Well, that probably ends it for today. There's literally nothing to see or nothing to do in this fucking stupid province. It's boring as shit.